The origin of veganism dates back to the earliest known vegetarian diets practiced by ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians and the Greeks, who incorporated plant-based foods into their culinary traditions for health, religious, or ethical reasons. The modern movement began in the mid-1940s with the publication of How to Eat by William Henry Schaeffer, which advocated a diet based primarily on vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, and legumes. In 1949, English physician Donald Watson founded the Vegan Society, marking a significant turning point in the movement's development. Over time, veganism has gained momentum globally, with estimates suggesting that around 30 million people worldwide were practicing vegan diets as of 2022. The primary benefits of adopting a vegan diet include numerous health advantages, including reduced risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. However, there are also drawbacks, such as the potential for nutrient deficiencies without proper planning. Economically, the shift towards veganism has spurred growth in plant-based food industries, leading to innovations like plant-based milks, meat substitutes, and sustainable agricultural practices. Long-term effects of this dietary trend include reduced environmental impacts from livestock farming, although concerns persist about water usage and land degradation related to crop cultivation for vegan foods. Looking forward, as global food production faces increasing challenges due to population growth and climate change, the future potential of a more widespread adoption of plant-based diets in society appears promising, though there are still significant barriers to overcome, including cultural acceptance and access to affordable, nutritious alternatives.